DOOGEE has established a reputation for providing affordable solutions for rugged mobile phone needs. The company has been focusing on producing rugged phones with higher specs while keeping the prices affordable. In line with this, DOOGEE has decided to expand its product line by venturing into the tablet market, and this guy is one of them. This is the DOOGEE T20 Ultra. It is a highly reliable and powerful tablet that offers great value for its price. It comes packed with features that make it perfect for both work and play, and with its octa-core processor and 2K screen resolution, the device runs smoothly and quickly, even when you're multitasking or running resource-intensive apps. With up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage capacity out of the box, you'll have plenty of space to store all your files, photos, videos, and games. So with that said, let's unbox this guy and see what you get. Although the unboxing experience, it's quite basic, DOOGEE has provided the essentials. You get the tablet, a Type-C USB cable, a charging plug, a rather nice and premium feeling business leather case, protective film, and a SIM card removal tool along with your basic user manual. I have to admit, I am a huge fan of the design. It has a dark grey sandblasted aluminium covering most of the body. The other part has a brushed metal finish. The aluminium is very smooth to the touch and also prevents fingerprints from staying. It is a rather diverse design that creates a sleek appearance. Although you most likely will probably keep this in its case, if you're not a fan of cases, you will be delighted to see this premium looking construction that certainly doesn't reflect that relatively low asking price. I must admit that it is remarkably upmarket looking. The ultra narrow bezel design is particularly noteworthy as it serves to draw your attention to the screen while also producing a borderless and immersive feeling. The screen itself is captivating, showcasing stunning visuals with somewhat crystal clear clarity. The tablet makes it incredibly easy to stay connected while on the go. With the ability to accommodate 2 SIM cards, you can manage 2 different phone numbers or carriers in the same handset. Now, I don't have to tell you, this is particularly useful for people who travel frequently or need to keep their work and personal communications separate. Additionally, the device's dual-band Wi-Fi support enables you to connect to both 2.4GHz and 5GHz Wi-Fi networks. Now, this ensures you have access to reliable and fast internet wherever you go. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or attending virtual meetings, this device has got you covered. The T20 Ultra is a tablet that is equipped with a 12-inch 2.5K 1600 by 2560 pixel LCD display. Now, this is quite impressive for a tablet of this price range. The device is certified by TUV SUD blue light certification, which thankfully means it's undergone rigorous testing to ensure that it's safe for the eyes over a period of use. Moreover, the T20 Ultra supports Widevine L1. This ensures that the tablet provides high quality viewing experiences, making it perfect for streaming movies, television shows, and other video content. Watching a movie on this display, it is enjoyable. Although we can't take advantage of 4K content, that 2.5K shines on this device. Now, moving on, the T20 Ultra is an exceptional performer. It boasts impressive features to deliver a rather lag-free experience. It is powered by the 2.4GHz MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It is also paired up with those 12GB of RAM, which is expanded with 20GB of virtual RAM, and in terms of storage, we get 256GB, and that is expandable up to 1TB via the micro SD card slot. So this is a true powerhouse out of the box. The tablet is highly efficient when it comes to navigating between various applications, making it a convenient device for multitasking. It has also shown noteworthy performances in its benchmark scoring, scoring 1785 in multi-core performance. This score is impressive and indicates that the tablet can handle demanding tasks with ease. The CPU is known for its power efficiency and good performance. After using this for a week, it was very clear that this could run resource-intensive games and perform daily tasks without any hassle. I put a lot of strain on this thing, and to be honest, it delivered. Games like PUBG, which can be demanding at times, allow for a big screen mobile gameplay experience that outweighs that of your general mobile phone. The tablet's graphics performance is commendable as well here, as it still maintains smooth movement. While there may be some minor inconsistencies in higher frame rates, I can't deny the overall performance is very stable. Certainly a strong contender for those looking for a tablet that can handle light gaming. Now, the T20 Ultra boasts an enormous 10,800 mAh battery, and that provides hours of uninterrupted usage. You can easily go about your day without worrying about running out of battery. Additionally, it features an 18-watt fast charger that rapidly charges the battery, even while using it. Believe it or not, the T20 Ultra also supports reverse charging, allowing you to use it to charge your other devices on the go. This feature comes in extremely handy when you have multiple devices to charge and you lack access to a power outlet. You can use it as a power bank to charge your other devices. It is a really neat ability that further utilizes the tablet and makes it essential in your backpack. Just knowing that it can be a source of power in those circumstances when a top-up of your phone is needed, well, that's certainly reassuring. The Ultra boasts a somewhat high-quality 16-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel front camera, which are both perfect for capturing your daily life moments or having video conferences with colleagues, friends and family. Although the captured images may not be the best in the mid to high-end range, they are more than sufficient for a tablet which is not primarily intended for photography. All in all, the DOOGEE T20 Ultra is a highly versatile device that can serve all your entertainment and multimedia needs with ease. It is equipped with some top-end specs that seem to deliver a seamless experience. The device's high-resolution display and robust processor make it ideal for streaming videos, playing games, and browsing the internet. But that's not all. The DOOGEE T20 Ultra is an excellent all-rounder. When paired with a keyboard, it can provide a productive experience. These could involve documents or responding to emails, along with basic photo editing. It is not just a device for entertainment purposes. It is also a reliable tool for work and productivity. With that said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.